I'm really hoping this pizza hits the spot because I'm kind of sad right now. Just a little bit. Alright. It is too hot out there. So, as you can tell, I'm sitting in my in the passenger seat because I got this trick from Steph Papas, which is one of my favorite mukbang YouTubers, and the only reason why I love watching her is because I can relate to her. This woman does everything in her car, and I do too. Yeah, so I'm sitting in the passenger seat. I have my and pizza ready. I'm just like looking at it and I'm like, it's been so long. It has been so long. I have been in like, not in a strict diet, but I have just been watching what I'm eating a lot more just because I have a Cali trip coming up. And you know, I want to look good, you know, I want to be on the beach looking good, being able to like feel comfortable. So, and you know, obviously I'm working out and everything, but yeah, anyways, so let me dig into this because oh my god, it has really been so long. So what I like to do, I don't know if any of you guys like to do this, but I like to fold my pizza and just eat it like a taco. So it's like a taco pizza. Taco pizza. Alright, cheers guys. I watched too much of damn, I don't know his name. But yeah, cheers guys. By the way, this is my first mukbang ever, so I'm really happy I chose and pizza to start my first mukbang with y'all. But oh, this is so good. So this is a vegan pizza, by the way. Just because I have a lot of food restrictions, I can't really have a lot of you know, dairy or like stuff like fatty foods, just because I have like such a sensitive stomach, and I break out really bad too. So I chose the vegan life. Somewhat. I still eat chicken, don't judge me. I love chicken. So I'm considered a flexitarian. It's a thing, check it out. Anyways, yeah. I'm a little upset though because I was gonna stop by Starbucks and get myself a venti water, but Starbucks was like on the other side of the mall, and I was starving. So I'm probably gonna get something after. I can hold it. Trust me, I can hold it. But yeah, this is so good. Also, I don't know if you guys ever been to And Pizza, but why do they ask you like if it's an allergy or a preference when you ever get gluten-free? For me it's just a preference, just because like the crust is like crunchier. I think so, and it tastes so much better. I think so personally, but if you guys can tell me, that would be great. So yeah, if you guys are wondering what's on my pizza, I have tomato, the classic tomato sauce, I have vegan cheese, I have mushrooms, extra spinach, I love spinach, extra spinach, chickpeas, the vegan sausage, pineapples. I don't give a fuck. I love pineapples on my pizza. Grilled onions, arugula, and olives. That is my perfect pizza. I used to have a love-hate relationship with mushrooms when I was young, but recently I have just been loving mushrooms. I don't know why. I bought like a whole packet of shiitake mushrooms the other day, and I'm excited to make lunch for myself, you know, for work and everything. So it was pretty exciting. Oh, by the way, I ate really fast, but because I'm filming this, it's probably gonna take me a little bit longer, but so yeah, guys, I'm pretty upset. I was really hoping to get a new car today, but now I'm worried because like the more information I get, the more scared I am, and the more like I just want to be like, fuck it, I don't even want a new car anymore. I cuss a lot, by the way, so I apologize. It just comes naturally. It just comes natural to me. I couldn't have chose a better lighting. This lighting is so good. So yeah, it's really hot outside this weekend. I think it's like supposed to reach like 110. And yesterday I didn't wear any makeup, and today I was not about to like doll the fuck up because I didn't want to sweat that out. So I'm literally, all I'm wearing today is just like concealer. I did my eyebrows. I did a little bit of eyeshadow just because I hate when it's like, if I do my makeup and I don't have any eyeshadow, it looks ugly to me. I did a little bit of blush, and then I also did my eyelashes, and yeah. That's it. Keep it simple, how I like it. I like simplicity. I love the gluten-free crust. So good. Hot. Oh yeah, I grabbed a fork and a knife thinking I'd eat with that, but nobody got time for that, especially not me, just because I'm hungry. All I had this morning was oatmeal and my smoothie. That's literally all I had, and I like to keep it that way just because that smoothie really did fill me up. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I started posting, like, you know, my smoothies and what I put in them every morning. So if you guys want to check that out, follow me. Why am I acting like I'm a professional at this? This is my first time ever doing a mukbang. Mukbang bang. That's what I'm gonna start calling it, a mukbang bang, because I never know what the hell to call it. Oh, by the way, I noticed that a lot of mukbangers like to suck their thumbs after eating. You won't find that with me. I think that's completely disgusting. I think so. But everyone's different. That didn't count. I was just, whatever. Okay. That's so good. Like, y'all don't understand how happy I am right now. It's delicioso. So I'm probably gonna go home and just relax for the rest of the day. I have a lot of footage to edit, so I was planning. What the fuck is that? Fuckers. There was like some crumpled cheese all over my pizza, and that just scared the shit out of me. So I have been wanting to do like mukbangs for you guys, but like a vegan version, just because I know a lot of you guys are more like, you know, going towards the vegan side, or at least the vegetarian side. So I wanted to like create options for you guys, so you guys can know what else is out there, instead of just like, you know, fast foods that you can't really eat. Or at least go to fast foods and choose the vegan versions, like what type of vegan version do they have. So that's what I kind of want to do for you guys, but we'll see. I mean, like I said, trying to find time is really hard for me, but whenever I can, I make sure. What the heck? Is this recording? Oh, because I'm moving too much. Sorry. My camera's telling me to stop fucking moving. Okay, can you disappear now, please? So one thing you guys need to know about me is I love to eat, like, a lot. But I like to eat the healthiest things. So like, I can literally sit down with a bag of grapes, just like a bag of grapes, a big hefty bag of grapes, and finish that all in one sitting. Is that crazy? Like, it just, I guess because you can't really get full with it. That's what my mom tells me, but I don't know. All I know is I can finish it without hesitation. I know, I need to get my nails done. Trust me, I know. I don't like to get my nails done, by the way. So, I'm still suffering from last time I got my nails done. I got acrylics done, and I just couldn't do it. So I had to like have them force it, like, you know, pull it out. And that was like 2 months ago, and my nails are still trying to grow out from that. So I don't know if you can see, but you can see like the gel or the glue. It's still there. That's why I don't like getting my nails done. Plus I work on a computer all day, like at my job, and it's really hard. Like the acrylics lasted like 2 days. After that I was like, no, I'm good, thank you. She literally said, you don't want a refill? Like, it looks like you just need a refill. I'm like, no, please take them off. If you don't want to fight with me, like, please just take them off. I do not like these nails. Like, see this? I fucking love. I just love healthy stuff. It makes my body feel good about myself. Alright guys, my last piece. Cheers to a good pizza. It was pretty good. And if you're wondering, I'm parked in the garage. If I didn't mention it before. I'm just eating all the fallouts. Man, that's good. Still a little spicy. I think it's because of the chickpeas. The chickpeas will have like some type of spice on it. But anyways, I crushed it. And it was delicious. Succulent, as my coworker Erica would say it. Alright guys, so I really don't have much else to say. I'm probably just gonna get myself something to drink because I am thirsty now. But I hope you guys enjoyed my first mukbang. If you guys have any ideas or suggestions or advice of what else I can do while eating and munching and just stuffing my face, I would appreciate it. But other than that, I would appreciate it. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. Ooh, excuse me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more. You never know. I'm weird like that. I post whenever I post, but I make sure I post. That was corny. All right. Peace out, guys. Love you.